Welcome to AI in Marketing, your daily news update curated by Stan Bertello and generated by AI.
Today is October 14th, 2024. Here is what we are covering. The Google Ads Quality Score is critical for understanding the effectiveness of ad campaigns, as it assesses how well ads align with user intent based on expected click-through rate, ad relevance, and landing page experience. While it does not directly influence ad rankings, a higher quality score can lead to lower cost per click and improved ad placements, ultimately driving more qualified leads. Strategies for enhancing quality score include refining keyword selection, ensuring ad copy relevance, and optimizing landing pages for a seamless user experience. Marketers are encouraged to monitor key performance indicators such as click-through rates and conversion rates to assess the impact of their efforts on ad performance. Meanwhile, Tesla's recent Cybercab event showcased its Optimus robots, but reports reveal that these humanoid robots were not fully autonomous. Attendees learned that humans were remote assisting the robots during the event, with an engineer confirming that they were not acting independently. Observers noted discrepancies, such as varying voices and immediate responses, which hinted at the human intervention behind the scenes. While Tesla aimed to impress with these demonstrations, the reality fell short of portraying true robotic autonomy. In other developments, synthetic data is increasingly being utilized to train AI models as real data sources dwindle and access becomes restricted. Companies like Anthropic, Meta, and OpenAI have started employing synthetic data to enhance their models, claiming significant cost advantages in the process. However, experts warn that while synthetic data can mitigate some challenges, it also carries risks such as bias amplification and potential model degeneration. Ongoing scrutiny and the inclusion of real data remain essential to ensure that AI systems maintain accuracy and diversity in their outputs. Shifting focus, the head of Australia's intelligence agency, Mike Burgess, has warned that artificial intelligence will exacerbate the issue of online radicalization, particularly through social media platforms. He highlighted that social media acts as both a facilitator for extremist ideologies and a platform for misinformation, allowing radicalization to occur at a much faster pace than previously possible. Burgess noted the alarming trend of extremist communities leveraging tools like AI to enhance their recruitment strategies, which poses a significant threat to national security. The call for a balanced approach to regulating social media, while maintaining free speech and market freedoms, underscores the complexity of addressing this evolving challenge. And finally, a recent article from Anthropic's CEO discusses the duality of artificial intelligence, highlighting both its potential to revolutionize society positively and its inherent risks. The essay outlines 5 key areas where AI could lead to significant advancements in human health, economic development, governance, and overall quality of life, while underscoring the necessity of proper risk management. Despite cautioning against over-optimism and the socio-political complexities involved, the CEO emphasizes the importance of fostering a hopeful vision for the future, where humanity can harness AI's capabilities for widespread benefit. Ultimately, the piece calls for collective effort to ensure that the promised advancements of AI are realized in a just and equitable manner.
Thank you for tuning in to AI in Marketing. If you want to learn more, check out the episode description. Be sure to subscribe on your favorite podcast platform so you never miss an episode. Contact us to learn how to launch your own AI-generated podcast at nitromarketing.com. That's NYTRO marketing.com. See you tomorrow for more AI and tech news.